Making money on YouTube sounds really cool, but in reality, not that easy. It has many challenges if you don't know the basic requirements or technique. Hey there, fellow dreamers and creators, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to make money on YouTube and what are the secret techniques. I will dive in step by step. There will be three parts. Number 1, before creating a YouTube channel. Number 2, during. And number 3, monetize level. Let's talk about before creating a YouTube channel. What things you should know and what equipment you should have. Mobile phone and phone number. Computer or desktop. Desktop is the best for video editing. Microphone for recording and video editing software. Camera, stand or tripod, and also you should have good internet. After all you have this during, now time to think what content do you want to share with your audience. For example, cooking, travel, food blog. Choose one, what areas you are interested. After that, give a good name to your channel. Create high quality and own content. Upload video regularly. You can choose weekend or weekday. When you upload a video, you need to write title, description, provide other social media links in your description, good thumbnails, add playlist, set audience made for kids or not, write text, category, add subtitle, end screen, cards, and you can add products. After that, share on other social medias. And the last step is monetize level. To apply YouTube Partner Program, YPP, Number 1, you must follow the YouTube channel monetization policies. Number 2, live in a country, region where the YPP is available. Number 3, have no active community guidelines track on your channel. Number 4, make sure two-step verification turned on for your Google account. Number 5, have advanced pictures access on your channel. Number 6, have an active AdSense for YouTube account linked to your channel. If you don't already have, create a new AdSense for YouTube. Please watch my video how to create a Google AdSense account. I have provided the link in the description. Once you understand what you need to join, your channel can become eligible for YPP with short or long form video. To become YPP eligibility, Number 1, get 1,000 subscribers with 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. Or number 2, 1,000 subscribers with 10 million valid published short views in the last 90 days. After all you meet the requirements, apply for YPP program. After that, YouTube team will send an email whether your channel has been approved or not. Do not rely only YouTube revenue. Explore other incomes, sell your products, memberships, and brand partnerships to increase your earning potential. That's all, my friends. If you found this information helpful, share with your friends. Any questions, please comment below. Keep creating, keep inspiring, and keep chasing your dream. Thank you. See you next video.